Bill Conley with Wisco Lift. I'm here today in part one of a three-part series to discuss the different styles of web slings that Wisco Lift manufactures. The first and simplest sling is an eye and eye sling. There's an eye at each end. This happens to be a single ply 1 inch. We manufacture our web slings in this style all the way up into 12 inches. The majority of our slings of this style would be in the 1, 2, and probably 4 inch widths. We offer these in a single ply, which is a single layer of material through the body, or a 2 ply, which is 2 layers of material throughout the body. These happen to be flat eye and eye slings, meaning the web is oriented in a flat orientation when we sew this. We also offer a twisted eye, and that during the fabrication we put a twist in the eye, making it easier for a customer to perhaps use a choker sling in a choker hitch, or to use it in a basket hitch, depending on the customer preference. The second style of sling I'd like to discuss is the endless style. The endless style is a continuous loop web sling sewn together with a 10-inch sewing pattern. It's tagged like our eye and eye slings are tagged with the capacity. This happens to be a 3,000 pound capacity in a vertical hitch, and available in single ply, 2 ply, and widths up to 12 inches. Another style is the 2 ply. As the name implies, there's 2 layers of material throughout the body. When you double the thickness, you are doubling the capacity. So whereas this is a 3,000 pound capacity, the 2 ply would be a 6,000 pound capacity. Another way to increase the capacity is to increase the width. So there's many ways to increase the capacity on a given style of sling. A variation of the endless sling is called the round sling. This is a tubular material filled with polyester yarn to achieve a given capacity. The round slings are color-coded for quick identification of a given capacity. For instance, the purple round sling has got the same capacity, 3,000 pounds in a vertical hitch, as the single ply 1 inch endless. The capacity tag is located on both slings. And just to give an example of the color coding, the green slings are twice the capacity of the purple slings. In this case, it's 6,000 pound capacity. And the yellow slings have a greater capacity than that, approximately 9,000 pounds in a vertical hitch. One of the advantages to a round sling is that it tends to hug the load a little bit better than an endless style sling. And there's no sewing pattern that can act as a little bit of a stiffener in the sling, making it a little bit more difficult to rig. The endless slings are a little less costly, a little more economical than the round slings. However, when you're getting into great, large capacities, round slings would probably be a better choice than endless slings. Wisco Lift offers other styles of slings, which I will discuss in part 2 of this series. Please keep in mind, you can always reach us at 1-800-242-3477 for any of your overhead lifting needs, or visit us at www.wiscolift.com.